going to university nowadays is very, very expensive, especially when you are pursuing a program like a law or having a degree in a law program. It's very, very expensive. So you need to get to know the career opportunities we have within the law program, and then you also know how to apply and be successfully admitted. So today we are going to look at the Bachelor of Law of K University, but most of the information that I'm going to give you is applicable to almost all the law schools or law faculties in the various in the various universities. But this is the first phase of your law career, the first phase of your law program. So after this, you have to take professional law course, at Ghana School of Law and as a Ghana Law School. That's Makola. So if you want to become a lawyer, if you want to be in a legal field or the law field, you just have to take this program, or you have to pursue this program as the first phase. Then you go for the professional law course at Ghana School of Law, which is Makala. So today we are going to get to know how one can be admitted in Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology Faculty of Law to pursue Bachelor of Law LLB. So let's get to understand. We have categories, and we are going to talk about the categories. If you are a WASI applicant, WASI, I mean, if you just completed SHS and you want to have a degree in Bachelor of Law, or you want to have a career in a legal field, then you are capable and you are acceptable to apply, but you just have to get aggregate 6. When it comes to K University, that's what they demand. When you go to Legon, it is 7, and when you go to Jimpa or Gimpa, it is 7 over there, and in most private school too, it is still a single number. So we are mostly looking out for you to get 6. That means you have to get 6 ones, or even 7 ones or 8 ones, because we're expecting you to get ones in your both course subjects and elective subjects. If you're a business student, science student, visual student, and even junior art students, you are capable of applying for this program. Like I said, business, science, junior arts, and even visual art students. So you are capable of applying for Bachelor of Law with aggregate 6. When we sum up your basic subjects at the WASI, you must attain 6 so that you can apply for this program. But one thing I want to tell you is that if you exceed, or if your grade point is more than 6, in fact, if your aggregate is more than 6, you can still get admission, but you go for fee paying. Fee paying has extension of the school fees, or the school fees will be a little bit expensive as compared to the regular. So if you want to have Bachelor of Law at a low cost or at a regular cost, then you have to learn hard so that you can get the 6 that they are demanding. So if you get 7, I think you can be admitted in a regular class, but 8, 9, I can assure you, but mostly those people go to the fee paying. So if you want to apply this course at the regular courses or the regular classes, please work hard to get a better grade over here. If you're also a mature applicant, or you are A-level applicants, you must also have a credit passes in your English and Maths, as well as 5 subjects in your O-level course or O-level. And if you are a mature applicant, like I said earlier, you must have a better grade in your WASI or in your O-level, including English and mathematics. And make sure that as long as the WASI graduates are coming here with aggregate 6, you must also have a better grade in your WASI as a mature student, or in your O-level as a mature student. The same thing applies to those using the A-level application or A-level way of applying. But let me tell you, with the A-level and then the mature level, or mature applicants, you are going to sit for interview and entrance exams. So bear that one in mind. interview and entrance exams. So friends, that is for the category 1. If you want to go into law, that's for the category 1. If you want to go into law, we have category 2. Like some of us, that's what we are going to do. You have to first attain your first degree. Attain your first degree. Attain your first degree. Like for me, for instance, I am going to graduate from Bachelor of Science Management. Some people are going to graduate from sociology, social work, political science, economics, and history, English. They don't have a particular program that they want you to finish before you can apply for law. Even some in engineering field are still applying to become a lawyer or to become lawyers. So it doesn't matter the course you do for your first degree. The only thing they need is that just have your first degree. So if you have your first degree, you can now apply to pursue Bachelor of Law, and that is the most easiest way. And you're going to have a lot of people. And if you even have master's degree, you still can apply to pursue this program if you want to become a lawyer. And it's for K University it's 4 years. Yeah, for K University it's 4 years. When you go to Legon it's 3 years. When you go to Gimpa it's 3 years. But as time goes on, most of them are extending the time because of the workload they have. But when it comes to K University it's 4 years, so bear that one in mind. So if you want to do it with your first degree, you can still apply with your first degree. For K University, when you fill the forms online, then you print a copy, then you submit to the university. So that's the procedure for you. So when you are done with your first degree and you want to go into law, like some of us, that's what we are going to do. That is how you are going to do it. You apply with your first degree, then you take entrance exams. Don't let anybody lie to you. You don't know what the question is about. You can ask some of them those in to guide you, but don't think that there is some past questions that you are going to get to write it and pass. No, it's like you don't know the questions. It's about general knowledge, it's about English, it's about logical thinking, something like that. If you are going to Legon, yeah, it can be a debate, it can be something like argument that they need you to prove your point or compare and contrast, something like that. So you don't need anybody to coach you strictly that this is how the questions are going to be and other stuff. Even University of Ghana, when they send you the email when you are shortlisted, that they are going to tell you that you don't know the questions, so don't let anybody coach you. It's all about your answering and your interview, so bear that one in mind. All right. So with your first degree, you're also going to take your entrance exam, like I said earlier. So that is that for you to apply for Bachelor of Law in K University. Like I said, most of the information that I've given here applies to Gimpa or Legon and other private law schools that we have, and we also have UCC Law School. But all that you need is finish your first degree, because most of the law students have done with they are done with their first degree and they are on their second, and that's what they are taking Bachelor of Law. So it's very simple, but please note that law is full of books. You're just going to read, and do a lot of critical thinking, and you'll be also do a lot of arguments and proving your points and other stuff. So that's the procedure for you to apply for Bachelor of Law at K University and some other universities we have in Ghana. But I'll do another video on some of the career opportunities we have within the law, so or legal field. So if you find this video informative, you can really subscribe to the channel and let's keep in touch. My name is Augustine Asidu. You can get me your comments so that we get to know whatever you want to know about this. Thank you.